assemble, assemble, assemble.
To bring things together, making them whole or complete. Here is a sample sentence. The team will assemble the new furniture in the conference room by tomorrow morning. In this sentence, assemble means to put together or combine individual parts into a complete whole.
Assembly, assembly, assembly.
It's a group of people or things that come together for a purpose, often to discuss or decide something. Here is a sample sentence. The annual shareholders meeting was an important assembly where investors and company officials gathered to discuss business strategies. In this example, assembly refers to a gathering or meeting of people.
Assert, assert, assert.
This word means to say or show that something is true, often with confidence or certainty. Here is a sample sentence. The lawyer stood up and asserted her client's innocence in front of the judge. In this example, assert means to state or claim something firmly and confidently.
Assess, assess, assess.
This means to think about or look at something carefully, usually to understand its value, quality, or importance. Here is a sample sentence. The teacher will assess each student's understanding of the material through a written test at the end of the semester. In this sentence, assess means to evaluate or determine the quality or value of something, in this case, the student's understanding.
Assessment, assessment, assessment.
It's when you look at something to figure out its value, quality, or how good it is. Here is a sample sentence. The teacher spent several hours conducting an assessment of each student's math skills to determine their individual learning needs. This sentence demonstrates how the word assessment can be used in context, referring to the process of evaluating or measuring something, in this case, students' math skills.
Assign, assign, assign.
This action means to give something or someone a new job, duty, or responsibility. Here is a sample sentence. The teacher assigned the students to work in groups of 3 on the project. In this example, assign means to give or direct someone to do something specific.
Assignment, assignment, assignment.
It's something given to someone to do or complete, often as part of their work or study. Here is a sample sentence. The teacher gave each student an assignment to write a 5-page essay on the American Revolution by the end of the week. This sentence demonstrates how the word assignment can be used in context, referring to a task or project given to someone, in this case, students, to complete.
Assist, assist, assist.
It means to help someone or something do something they need to do. Here is a sample sentence. The nurse was happy to assist the doctor during the surgery. This sentence demonstrates the verb assist in action, showing how it can be used to describe someone helping or supporting another person with a task.
Assistance, assistance, assistance.
It's help or support given to someone who needs it, usually to make things easier for them. Here is a sample sentence. The charity provided assistance to families affected by the hurricane, offering food, shelter, and medical care. This sentence demonstrates how the word assistance can be used in context to convey the idea of help or support being given to those in need.
Assistant, assistant, assistant.
A person or thing that helps someone else with something they need to do. Here's a sample sentence. She hired an assistant to help her with her busy schedule. Let me know if you'd like more examples.
Associate, associate, associate.
This word means someone who works with or helps another person, often as part of a team. Here's a sample sentence. She was offered an associate position at the law firm, which would allow her to work closely with senior attorneys and gain valuable experience. In this example, associate refers to a junior lawyer who works under the supervision of more experienced lawyers.
Association, association, association.
It's when 2 or more things are connected or related in some way, often because they have something in common. Here is a sample sentence. The local business owners formed an association to promote and support each other's ventures in the community. This sentence demonstrates how the word association can be used to refer to a group of people or organizations that have come together for a common purpose.
Assorted, assorted, assorted.
This word means having different things together, like a mix of sweet and salty foods or a variety of colors. It's when you have many different items all at once, rather than just one kind. Here is a sample sentence. The gift basket contained assorted chocolates, nuts, and dried fruits. In this example, assorted means a variety or mix of different things, in this case, types of candies and snacks.
Assortment, assortment, assortment.
It's a group or collection of different things, often chosen to be together because they're all similar in some way. Here is a sample sentence. The bakery offered an assortment of freshly baked breads, including whole wheat, sourdough, and baguette. In this example, assortment refers to a variety or selection of different types of bread that are available for customers to choose from.
Assume, assume, assume.
This means to think something is true without knowing for sure if it's really true. Here's a sample sentence. She assumed that everyone would be on time, so she didn't bother to call and confirm their arrival. In this example, assume means to take something as true or certain without having any evidence or proof.
Assumption, assumption, assumption.
It's an idea or thought that you take for granted without really thinking about it too much. It's something that you just accept as true, often because it seems obvious or has been said to be so by others. Here is a sample sentence. The researcher made an assumption that the new medication would be effective in treating the disease, but further testing was needed to confirm that. In this example, assumption refers to a conclusion or hypothesis that has not been proven or verified.
Assurance, assurance, assurance.
It's a feeling or sense that something is true, safe, or certain. It gives you confidence and peace of mind. Here is a sample sentence. The insurance company's promise of full reimbursement gave me great assurance that I was protected in case of an accident.
Sure, sure, sure.
This word means to make someone feel certain or confident about something. It's like giving them a strong sense that something is true or will happen. Here is a sample sentence. The doctor assured me that I would be fine after the surgery. In this example, assured means to make someone feel confident or certain about something.
Assured, assured, assured.
This word means feeling or knowing that something is true, safe, or certain. It's a sense of confidence or trust in what you believe or think. Here is a sample sentence. After double-checking the math, she was assured that her answer was correct. In this example, assured means feeling confident or certain about something.
Astonish, astonish, astonish.
This word means to surprise someone very much, often because something is unexpected or impressive. Here is a sample sentence. The fireworks display was so spectacular that it astonished everyone in attendance, leaving them all speechless and amazed.